from South Dakota.
Sunrise greets me in the morning.
Good morning, guys. Getting our campsite packed up here at Uncle B's. Yay! Good morning, Nora. Good morning, my cute little baby. And the kids insist I go on the spooky trail with them. Which was sitting at the tent the other day, saw a fake human skull in the woods. I was like, what? And they were like, oh yeah, there's a spooky trail. So here we go down Uncle B's spooky trail.
Right to the Royal Peacock.
To the Royal Peacock?
Look at that.
Whoa. What is that? That's what's called a scream mask. And that is called a Jason mask.
That's just the Wonder mask, and that's the
That's an old hockey mask. There's a creepy man that wears one and his name is Jason. A creepy bird. Creepy trail. There's a skull. A little bit creepy. Whoa. I wonder whose head this used to be. It's just pretend plastic.
I like this.
She's really scared.
Look at these freaky nose.
Whoa, there's another person.
There's some dirt.
Is this cool or what?
Yeah, cool.
Awesome, double cool. Is this cool? Yeah. Yeah, those gnomes are as big as you. It's so funny. Oh, it's so spooked out. It's a baby. She's bedded down. We gotta go see some puppies.
I think, well, I did see some chickens.
Big boy peacock. Look at how long his tail is.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Beautiful.
There's a little boy peacock across the road's got a...
Yes. No, maybe not.
Talk, you wanna hold him?
Okay, put one hand down this way, right here. Put one hand underneath, and one hand on top, just like this. Now they really wiggle a lot, so I'll keep my hands here too in case he falls. What do you think? Can you pet him with one hand, or don't have enough hands, do you? How about this? How about I hold him and you guys pet him?
Ooh.
How will that work? Do ya? Okay. Did you see how to do it? Here, hold your hand out with your palms up. There you go, just like that. And now put your other hand on top. There, just perfect. Now hold them tight, well, not tight, but just make sure you don't wiggle loose. And I'll get another one to hold for these guys to pet. You got them okay? It looks like you're doing really good. Let me get another one over here. Look at this one. This one's all boy. And when he gets older, he'll probably get some spots and all that white to look kind of like Johnny does. So he should be a really, really pretty puppy when he's done. Isn't he nice?
So Johnny's the dad.
Johnny's the dad.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, so they'll be
Well,
half
she's got
off,
a
see,
whole
half
litter. What do you
border
have,
collie.
7 or 9?
7, yeah.
7.
5 boys and 2 girls.
Her? She's a cute little puppy.
That's why they have their...
Whoa, turkey. Did you say turkey?
It's hard to believe it looking at it with those water.
All right, well, we got the tent packed up, got most everything else packed up. I tell you what, we had an awesome time here at Uncle B's Hip Camp. Oh no, there's a robot coming. Woo-wee! We got our place packed up over at Uncle B's and we have hit the road. We've been on the road for about 30, 45 minutes, I'm not sure. But we are headed to Split Rock Creek. We are super duper excited because it's gonna be Devil's Gulch is over there, and we just are here at the gas station getting some fuel. There's another toy hauler over there. We got some ice for our iced coffee, and our van is full of flies. I don't know if it's where we're at or if it's our van, who knows. We're waiting on the boys and Rachel. They're using the restroom, and then like I said, Split Rock Creek.